Come on, do it, please. Come on. I'm gonna get on my story, please.
It's not even funny.
Please, just do it on my story.
I was telling my friend I was gonna get it for her though.
No.
Please, just once. Just once.
I'm not even.
All right, damn it. Hello, I'm Ranjit Patel. I own the local motel. I give you discounts, no?
How do you do that? I want to do that. It's so funny.
I mean, I live with 2 Indians, so.
I wish my parents had an accent.
Yes.
Funny.
Holy shit.
Hey, how was your day, Adila?
Pretty good. How about you?
Yeah, it was pretty good too. I have something to tell you.
What?
Guess what?
What?
We found a really nice place in Boston.
For me?
Yeah! And it looks great and I'm ready to go.
And it's got enough rooms, for me and Dana to room?
Yeah, it does. We can go decoration shopping and you'll see. It's by Boston standards, it's quite big. So it'll be pretty awesome. Excited?
Yeah. I can't do tomorrow because remember I told you about that gig I have at the Peachtree?
Oh, okay. So sometime later?
Actually, I was kind of hoping that you could come because it's probably going to be my last show.
Oh, just for the gig? To see the gig? Yeah,
if you have the time,
Of course, we'll come. That'll be awesome because it's probably, like you say, going to be your last time. You're going to be so busy and all that stuff. So, yeah, we'll come. That'll be a good thing for us to come to. Yeah.
Okay, sounds good.
Oh yeah, I'm sorry I couldn't talk to you last night.
It's fine. My mom's just driving me nuts with this whole law school thing. It's all she can talk about. Can't even be me anymore.
Oh yeah, I feel you. Okay, hear me out. My godfather.
Not this again.
Okay, he has a record label in New York.
New York, Jesus.
It's only a train ride away from where you're staying in the dorms.
Dorm? You mean my apartment? I'm rooming with Dana.
I'm rooming in with Dana.
She didn't tell you?
Wait, what?
What?
Wait, what the fuck?
No, Dana and she's gonna be in Maple Leaf College and we're...
Yeah, but we're gonna move in together.
That's what you had to tell me today?
Yeah.
And when was she planning on telling me this?
What, do you just expect to come in with us?
What the fuck? Okay, Mom, I'm heading out.
Addie, hey.
Dana, what's up?
Grade set in there.
Thanks. Max talked to me. He said that you guys are moving in together.
Yeah, listen, I was gonna tell you. I promise.
When? We had this all planned out.
I know, but I don't know.
Whatever.
Wait, I got you this. It's Max's grandpa's record label.
Are you serious?
I mean,
Hi, can I get a small iced coffee?
Yeah, for sure. All right. What's the name gonna be for that?
Addie?
Is that short for something? I don't know. I mean, I have all these Indian friends, and I love figuring out their names and stuff.
Yeah, it's Adila, but it's complicated. So.
It starts with an A.
Yeah.
Okay. A.
D-I-L-A.
Oh, okay. Yeah. I don't know. I mean, so is that in the Indian language? Like,
Yeah.
So you must speak Indian, right?
Yeah, I speak all 500 languages of the country.
I don't know. That I mean, it's so confusing over there. I mean, at least you guys are all smart. Like, it's great.
Yeah. We're all the same.
All right. Oh no. Oh, that reminds me. Okay, I always go to this amazing Indian restaurant. I don't know if you know it, but it's like down the street, and they make amazing lamb curry. Like, do you know how to make that, or like your mom or something? It's like passed down through the families.
No, I'm actually a vegetarian, but
Okay. So is that all for you today?
yeah.
Oh, okay.
Want my drink?
Yeah. All right. Okay.
Honestly, I'm not even surprised. I get it so much these days.
So do I.
Really?
Yeah. I get all kinds of, you know, Mexican jokes, and I'm obviously not Mexican.
Yeah, I didn't even know. I mean, how does that work?
I mean, you know, dumb stuff like, oh, did you jump over the border? You know, like, no.
I hate stereotypes.
I do too. I mean, you know, growing up in like a white family as a Salvadorian, a part of me sort of wishes that I had my own stereotype, but.
I mean, I get what you're saying. You don't really fit in, but then when you have to live up to a stereotype, it's like this unspoken law that you were just born with.
Yeah,
You still don't feel like you fit in.
people are just so uneducated on culture, and it just, it's annoying a lot of times.
I get that. I'm sorry.
Sorry to you too, but I'm glad we can like relate.
Yeah.
I get it a lot too.
Hi, is this a Lionel Stetson? Yeah, you have, a godson named Max. Yeah, I'm his friend, Addie? Thank you. You know, I would try to come, but it's so far. You would pay if I came in the next week? For the flight or for... Okay, yeah. It means everything to me. I guess I'll see you tomorrow.